Hey everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Are you looking for a delicious and healthy way to kickstart your day? Well, you're in the right place. Look no further than this awesome blueberry almond smoothie. It's not just any smoothie, it's a game changer for your mornings. This smoothie is packed with antioxidants, fiber and protein to keep you feeling full and energized all morning long. Imagine starting your day with a burst of energy and a smile on your face. This smoothie is not just a tasty treat. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Every sip is like a step towards a healthier you. Blueberries are bursting with antioxidants, those amazing little compounds that help protect your cells from damage. They also add a natural sweetness to the smoothie. And almonds, they're full of healthy fats, fiber and protein, which means they'll keep you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, they add a nice, creamy texture to the smoothie. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast or a newcomer to the blending world, this recipe is super easy to follow. No complicated steps, just pure, simple goodness. So grab your blender, gather your ingredients, and let's get started. You're just a few minutes away from a very good morning. Here's what you need to whip up this super-duper smoothie. A perfect blend of taste and nutrition that will leave you feeling refreshed and energized. Start with 1 cup of frozen blueberries. These little blue gems are packed with antioxidants, which are great for your immune system. They also give the smoothie its beautiful color and sweet flavor. Blueberries are known for their health benefits, including improving heart health and brain function. Next, add half a cup of plain yogurt. Yogurt adds a creamy texture and a boost of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. You can use Greek yogurt for an even tangier flavor and extra protein. Yogurt also contains probiotics, which are good for your gut health. Pour in 1/4 cup of almond milk. Almond milk provides a nutty flavor and a dose of vitamin E, which is great for your skin. You can substitute it with your favorite milk or even water if you prefer. Almond milk is also low in calories, making it a great choice for those watching their weight. Add 1 tablespoon of almond butter. Almond butter adds healthy fats, fiber, and a lovely richness to the smoothie. Make sure to use natural almond butter with no added sugar or salt. Healthy fats are important for brain health and keeping you full longer. Finally, add half a teaspoon of honey if you like. Honey adds a touch of sweetness if you prefer. You can adjust the amount to your liking or skip it altogether if you're watching your sugar intake. Honey also has antibacterial properties and can soothe a sore throat. And there you have it. Blend all these ingredients together until smooth and enjoy your delicious, nutritious smoothie. Perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even a post-workout treat. Now let's get blending. Gather all your ingredients. Make sure the blueberries are frozen for a nice and thick smoothie. Add all the ingredients, frozen blueberries, yogurt, almond milk, almond butter, and honey if you're using it, to your blender. Secure the lid tightly and blend until smooth and creamy. This should take about 30 to 60 seconds, depending on your blender's power. Pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy immediately. Section 4. Tips for smoothie success. Here are a few handy tips to make sure your smoothie turns out perfectly every time. Whether you're a smoothie novice or a seasoned pro, these tips will help you create delicious and nutritious blends. Use frozen blueberries for a thicker, colder smoothie. Frozen fruits not only add a refreshing chill, but also help to create a creamy texture without the need for ice. If you don't have frozen blueberries, you can use fresh ones and add a few ice cubes to the blender. This will help to achieve that same frosty consistency. If your smoothie is too thick, add a splash more almond milk or water until you reach your desired consistency. Adjusting the liquid content can make a big difference in the final texture. For a sweeter smoothie, add a little more honey or a ripe banana. Natural sweeteners like these can enhance the flavor without adding refined sugars. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients. Mixing and matching fruits, vegetables, and other add-ins can lead to exciting new flavors and textures. Try adding spinach, kale, or your favorite protein powder for an extra nutritional boost. These additions can increase the health benefits of your smoothie, making it a perfect meal replacement or post-workout snack. Section 5. Flavor adventures await. Want to get adventurous with your smoothie? Here are a few delicious variations to try. Tropical Delight. Swap the blueberries with frozen mango chunks and add a squeeze of lime juice for a taste of the tropics. Chocolate Peanut Butter Dream. Add a tablespoon of cocoa powder and swap the almond butter with peanut butter for a decadent treat. Green machine. Add a handful of spinach or kale, a green apple, and a squeeze of lemon juice for a refreshing and nutrient-packed smoothie. Section 6. Share your smoothie journey. So there you have it. A simple and delicious blueberry almond smoothie recipe to fuel your day the healthy way. I hope you love it as much as I do. Don't forget to share your smoothie creations with me on social media. I'd love to see your masterpieces. Happy blending.